Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to add a rupee symbol in Word or Excel. For this you need to copy a rupee font in the fonts folder. This is the font, need to copy it and in the keyboard press Windows and R button to open the run. Here need to type fonts and press enter. In the fonts folder kindly paste it. Installing Rupee Parodian. The Rupee Parodian font has been installed. Then close it and then open the Word. In the Word file you can simply find the Rupee Parodian font here. This is the Rupee Parodian font. In the keyboard need to press this button to font, it will come. I will press one more time like this, the font will come. If you need this file, find in the description. We are given one link. In that link, you can download this Rupee font. Okay. Thank you.